To make homemade masala dosas, you'll need 1 cup of uncooked brown rice, 1 cup of uncooked white rice, half a cup of whole white lentils, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Mix all of this and cover with room temperature water for 8 hours or overnight. Strain all of the water after 8 hours and give your rice mixture a really good wash. Add this to a high-powered blender such as a Vitamix. Add water and grind on high speed till it's a smooth, thick paste, almost the consistency of a thick smoothie. Cover your dosa flour and keep on the countertop to ferment for another 6 hours. Now you're ready to make your dosas. To a hot cast iron pan, grease it and add 1 cup of dosa flour and spread evenly like this. Allow it to crisp for about 2 minutes and flip your dosa and cook for again about another 2 minutes till it's crisp. Fill it with masala mashed potato and you've got masala dosa. Continue to make all of your dosas this way till you've finished all your dosa flour. Serve with coriander and coconut chutney. Making dosas at home might be a little labor intensive, but it's not difficult to make or a difficult recipe to follow. Absolutely delicious and well worth it.